In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite trial. Whether you're re-evaluating your social media tools or simply want to end your trial period, knowing how to navigate through the cancellation process efficiently is valuable. Let's dive straight into the step-by-step process to ensure you can cancel your trial with ease. First off, let's kick things off by visiting the Hootsuite website. You'll find it by typing www.hootsuite.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the homepage of Hootsuite, which is the dashboard for managing various social media accounts. This platform offers a myriad of tools designed to streamline the process of social media management. Upon arriving on the Hootsuite site, your next step is to log into your account. You'll notice a login button prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will navigate you towards the login page, a gateway to entering your personal workspace on Hootsuite. Now it gets personal. You're required to enter your email address associated with your Hootsuite account. Make sure you enter the email address correctly to avoid any login hiccups. Remember, this is the email you used when signing up for Hootsuite. It's your unique identifier within their system. After typing in your email, it's time to enter your password. Be mindful of the sensitivity of the password field. Ensure caps lock is off and you're entering your password exactly as you set it, with all the correct symbols, numbers, and letter cases. Once you've accurately entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. Successfully logging in will take you to the Hootsuite dashboard. This is your command center where you can monitor social media feeds, schedule posts, and much more. But our focus today is elsewhere, so let's move on to the next critical step in the cancellation process. On your dashboard, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name, usually located at the bottom left or top right corner, depending on the layout updates. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Plan and Billing option, or a similarly titled section that leads you to your account and subscription details. Clicking on Plan and Billing will navigate you to a new page. Here, seek out a button or link labeled Billing Info. This section houses all your subscription details, including any trials you are currently enrolled in. Once you're in the Billing Info section, take a look around. You'll see an option to manage or view your subscription details. This area is crucial for our task. Look for details regarding the trial period. If there's an option to cancel the trial, it will be here. This might be presented as a button or link saying something along the lines of cancel trial or manage subscription. Before you proceed to cancel, it's important to review any details regarding the trial's end date or any potential charges if you were to continue with the service post-trial. Being fully informed will help you avoid any surprises. Once you're ready, proceed to cancel the trial by following the indicated steps within the Billing Info section. The process is usually straightforward, requiring you to confirm your decision to cancel. After you've successfully cancelled your trial, it's common to receive a confirmation email or a notification on the website confirming the cancellation. Keep an eye out for this, as it's your proof that the trial has been cancelled effectively. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling your Hootsuite trial. It's always a good practice to periodically review your subscriptions and trials to ensure you're only committed to services you find valuable. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. Remember, managing your online tools and subscriptions doesn't have to be complicated, and being proactive about your subscriptions can save you both time and money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. See you in the next video.